I'm not here to teach you how to install a wall underlay, but I am going to highlight a couple of areas where every install can be improved, and also in this case, how fixing using these cap nails allows for early closing. That means work inside can continue and gives 6 months of exposure using just one layer of wall underlay and one layer of tape on the windowsills. So what's changed? Not much. We have CodeMark using an annular grooved cap nail that's a lot stronger than a staple and good at maintaining weather tightness. There are clear install guides for vertical cladding, one for horizontal cladding, and one for brick. There's a quality assurance checklist that requires you to check for accidental holes and any other damage that'll be caused by the plumber. What's extra? Use the cap nails instead of staples. Use the good practice approach of sealing laps together at vertical and horizontal joins. That will stop wind-driven rain. There's no drainage off the slab at this point. You've kept the rain out of the inside by early close-in stage. Sealing off at the base of the wall will also prevent drafts for the lifetime of the building. What completes your early close-in? Common sense stuff first. The roof is on, the windows are in, the windows are sealed in, and for this you could use common PF rod and foam or PF rod and wet seal, but best will be with Tescon Extura tape, which is an instant, easy visual check and instant performance. An apprentice with shiny tools can get this right. How do we know it works? We've been supplying this same product in the New Zealand market for more than 15 years. It's pretty good. It has CodeMark certification for compliance. It doesn't break down behind hot cladding, neither does it shrink and pull itself off its fixings. So 180 days of exposure is a great safety margin when things get delayed on site. Do the cost comparison, but look at meter rates, not just roll cost. I think you'll find we are extremely competitive. Early close-in. One layer, 180 days. Job done.